Adele here from TimberTop Adventures, the treetop adventure park that will have you sliding, gliding, and smiling through some of New Brunswick's wildest courses. Have you ever wanted to fly like an eagle? Wanted to go crazy as a fox? Wanted to gull for it? Well, here at TimberTop you can do that and so much more.
Yeah!
We have easy courses for when your arms need a rest, all the way up to the thrilling weasel's nest. If all that isn't enough for you, we will also throw in the flying squirrel jump. Almost 40 feet of fun, this is a challenge you'll want to do before you're done. Good job, bud! To climb at TimberTop Adventures, call 506-657-6060. But wait! There's more! If you call in the next 2 seconds, we'll even give you the chance to hang out with Leroy the manager and his dog. Remember, it's 506-657-6060, but you gotta call now!